Let's talk about have and have got. What is the difference between these two? In fact, there is no difference in meaning. Both have and have got talk about possession and relationships. For example, I have a new car. I've got a new car. She has two sisters. She has got two sisters. Now let's look at some negative sentences and questions. Do you have any question? Have you got any questions? I don't have any questions. I haven't got any questions. But there is one difference. When we talk about experience or things that we do, we will not use have got. Like have lunch. I usually have lunch at 1 p.m. We will not use have got in this sentence. So we will not use have got when we talk about things that we do or we experience. We use only have.